What if I told you there's a 5 kilometer riverside walk where you can spot sword fighting, playful dogs splashing in the Danube, and kids mastering bike jumps, all surrounded by lush greenery and sunshine? Today, we are exploring the first half of Novi Sad's stunning promenade. And trust me, you'll want to slow down and take it all in. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. This riverside path is where the locals come to walk, run, relax, and just enjoy the beauty of the city. And today is part 1 of their journey. We are going to cover the first 2.5 kilometers of this stretch, slowly taking in everything along the way. Right now, we are standing at one end of the track, and you might notice this sign that says 2500 meters. Now you might be wondering, wait, if the path is 5 kilometers, why does the sign only say 2500? Good question. And I'll explain it to you when we get to the other side of this 2500 meters. So let's get started. It's a gorgeous day today. The sun is out, the path is full of life, and we are not in a rush. I'll be filming everything interesting we come across, so it might take us a couple of hours to cover this stretch. Right here, we are passing by the yachting club, and just a bit ahead is the Vojvodina Sailing Club. So let's keep going. This is just the beginning. It's a really peaceful corner of the city, especially with all the greenery that surrounds it. Alright, here we are. This part of the promenade has a basketball court, and surprisingly it's completely empty today. Just across from it, you will see the Vojvodina Sailing Club we talked about earlier. Look over there, that's the Liberty Bridge, the first of the 3 bridges we'll be walking past today. The Liberty Bridge was first opened on October 23, 1981, and at the time it was a world record holder in the category of cable-stayed bridges. But in 1999, during the NATO bombing, the bridge was destroyed. It was rebuilt between 2003 and 2005 and officially reopened on October 7, 2005. Right over here is the volleyball court. Love the energy going on here. Look at this guy, a hooded crow, just going about his day, completely unbothered by us. And did you see that sky? It's absolutely beautiful when the sun is out like this. I love it when those fluffy white clouds scatter themselves across that bright blue sky. And there go a pair of white butterflies. So now you know why this walk will take so long to complete. I've been seeing a lot of people riding these vehicles today. I think we really should try one sometime. There goes another one. That's inspiring, don't you think? Here we've got Vike Danubis, another kayaking and canoeing club along the river. You'll find outdoor gyms like this one scattered all along the track. And do you hear that music? I think someone's getting married. Let's see if we can spot the celebration. Now just take a look at the greenery on the other side of the track. We've had some good rain this spring and the trees are absolutely thriving. Everything looks so lush and full.
Fantastic. It's very expensive.
And here we are at the tennis courts. Oh wow, nice! She just scored a point. These are common starlings, also known as European starlings. They've got a sparkle to them when the sun hits just right. I was trying to get a close-up of this flower, but the wind had other plans. Thanks to the breeze, it feels colder than it looks. Alright, we are going to take a little detour here. Instead of sticking to the main track, we are going to head down this path and walk beside the Danube for a bit, just to enjoy the river and the scenery. Then we loop back and get on the track. Love these wildflowers, they are so beautiful. The tank is overflowing. Can you hear the water trickling? That has made the path really muddy. We walked a little further down and the path was very slippery, so we decided to turn back. Just up ahead, there's another opening. Fingers crossed, it's a bit drier.
দেখলে
Samamalo. Chale আসো।
Watch these kids, they're practicing bike jumps. Look at them go. I really love it down here. It almost feels like we are walking in the forest with all the birdsong echoing around us. You'll always find happy dogs here. It's one of their favorite hangouts.
করছিল যাতে একটা পিঁপড়ে প্রচন্ড পিঁপড়ে
And here come two mallard ducks gliding across the river. ইনিও নেমেছিলেন জলে, কুকুরটা দেখো
পুরো ভেসে নিয়ে
পুরোটা নামিয়ে নিয়ে তো পেছন লাগিয়ে বসেছিল ওদের।
ওই বাবাজি, ওই বাবা, তুমিও জলে নেমেছিলে? তুমিও জলে নেমেছিলে? বাবা কি সুন্দর দেখতে তো, দারুণ দেখতে তো।
You know, the dogs love jumping in the Danube. They're having the time of their lives, aren't they? That passing motorboat created these waves, and if you look closely, you'll spot the mallard duck resting on that fallen tree. And look at this, a massive tree has fallen. And over there across the river, you can spot the Petrovaradin fortress. Such a majestic view. Okay, I must say, I'm not a huge fan of ants. Whenever I see ants in my home, I get the feeling they are crawling all over me. Does anyone else feel like that? Look over there, sword fighting practice. A bit of medieval training right here on the riverbank. This is something I have never seen before. I've been wondering what these are. If you happen to know, I'd love to hear from you in the comments. Check out this dog. He's got a little stick in his mouth and he dropped it into the river. He's having fun. তারপর
তারপর কি পিঁপড়েগুলো জ্বলুনি হয়নি।
আচ্ছা, তাও ভালো,
কিন্তু
দেখতে তো ভয়ঙ্কর।
দেখতে ভয়ঙ্কর, সাইজও ভালো, কিন্তু কথা হচ্ছে আমার ঘাড়ে আর গালে কি করে এলো সেটাই আমি বুঝছি না।
ওই হেঁটেছো, ওখানে দাঁড়িয়েছো না, ও জামায় উঠে গেছে হয়তো।
জামায় উঠেছে মানে কিন্তু উপর থেকে পড়েছে না।
সেটা হতে পারে। কেন জুতো দিয়ে প্যান্ট দিয়ে উঠতে পারে না?
উঠতে পারে অবশ্য।
We are going to head up from here and rejoin the main track. The end of the 2500 meters is just around the corner. Can you see that? Pollen's floating in the air. Spring is definitely in full swing. And look, pollens everywhere. And here we are, the end of the first 2.5 kilometers. You can see the track ends here. For the next kilometer or so, there's no track at all. But don't worry, the track picks up again a little further down. I'll be showing you that in the second part of this video. So don't go anywhere, there's still so much to explore. I hope you enjoyed today's video. See you next time. Ciao!